तो भार्गव, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम यू कि do you think that we need science communication in India, and what's the state of scientific temperament in India, and क्या उस चीज को प्रमोट किया जाना चाहिए? What's your take on that?
Yeah, definitely. We definitely should promote science. That is what I have promoted science as a science communicator. As a matter of fact, I've promoted astronomy, और मैं astrology के खिलाफ बोलता था. But while doing that, I also used to teach people about Indian astronomy, जो actually observational astronomy है. I used to talk against Phala Jyotish, which is predictive astrology. आज भी मैं वही करता हूँ. I don't heed to Phala Jyotish people, astrologers. But the thing is, what I try to do is I communicate science. अगर कोई लड़का है, छोटा बच्चा है, उसको एक Phala Jyotish कहता है कि भैया इससे शनि की माया वगैरह वगैरह, and then I am come there, instead of criticizing the Phala Jyotish, instead of criticizing the actual astrologer, what I do is I try to explain to the child what science is. I try to explain to the child the astronomy behind it, and then I leave it to the child to decide what they want to do. अगर दोनों views सुनकर भी अगर वो बच्चा कहता है कि नहीं, फिर भी मुझे I like to believe in astrology, थोड़ा मुझे लगता है कि planets का असर होता है, even though आपने मुझे astronomy दिखाई है. So in that case, the autonomy should be there. The subject should decide whether they want to pursue astrology, or they want to believe in astrology, or they want to believe in astronomy only. So in that case, I would promote astrology.
Yeah, right. And if you think about it, it even makes sense, because अगर हम लोग historically भी देखें तो जो चीज़ें हम लोगों को authoritatively लगा, हम लोगों ने जब भी impose किया हुआ है कि other thing is wrong, हिस्टोरिकली कई बार ऐसा हुआ है कि वो चीज़ है तो हम लोग एक स्केप्टिसिज्म भी अगर हम लोग डाल दें, मतलब बाकी तो है ही कि उसकी फ्रीडम ऑफ चॉइस और ये सब तो है, लेकिन एक स्केप्टिसिज्म की वजह से भी वी कैन नॉट लाइक नेसेसरीली कंप्लाई दैट.
Correct.
Yes,
Yeah.